Well, good evening, fan collectors. Crazy Fan 740 here with a surprise for you. I'm at a friend's house, and as it turns out, he has this very nice mid-60s Hunter box fan. It's a three-wing one with the Venturi ring, and a nice big old beefy motor on the back. It's probably at over 2 amps, I'm sure. I can't tell whether or not it's the permanent split capacitor motor or not, but it's a nice one. And as you can plainly see and probably hear, there's a little fan misting kit attached to this one. So let's see how it runs. It's 2 speeds. We're going to start off with high. And let's see if we can get a nice little startup sound first of all. Oh yeah. Very nice. And let's try low now. There we go. Now off. Let's take a look at how nice and long the post notes are. Still going. Wish it was a little bit brighter. You can take what you get, I guess. Still going. Still going. There you have it, a Hunter box fan with the misting kit. Thanks for watching.